Hey guys, Liquorose here. Fresh for now, BBNaija Season 6. So I'm here to actually go through your comments about my experience in the Big Brother house. Okay, hope your comments are legit, guys. Hit me with it. Esther White says, will you open a dance studio? Yes, definitely. Absolutely, yes. I'm gonna open a dance studio and make it affordable for dancers who can't pay, all the way to the top, high prices, because I've been there before. There was time, like a whole year, me and my crew couldn't even afford to pay for like a dance studio section and all of that. So I've been in that before. I'm gonna change that, There are dancers in the streets who can afford to pay that. So make it affordable and sometimes free. And Gizosa says, do you know you are talented in acting? Yes, absolutely. Yes. Yeah, I love acting. I'm gonna pursue that too. I want to do movies, and I have stories that I'm just gonna get like more like script writers who will write them together, and probably get a production team and put some movies out there produced by Liquorose. Yeah, thank you. I know I'm gonna do it. I love acting. Alu underscore Sesanga says, how do you feel knowing that you have a large shippers fan base called Emma Rose? Feels, I won't say overwhelming, like I didn't see it coming from inside the house, but I didn't know it was going to be this strong and this gidigba. You understand? You understand me now? So I'm like, woo, wow, oh my, it seems dope. Agents underscore Lydia says, how does she feel being the last woman standing? Wow. That was overwhelming, I can't explain how it feels and how I'm feeling and how I felt. I can't explain it, just know like it feels good. Well, thank you guys so much. Comments, legit comments, I wish I could read everything out, but I have to go. Hope I do this next time with you guys. Thank you so much for the love and support, Liquorose. Yeah, signing out.